for the same reason that any problem that happens very early in life and actually before birth has a strong influence in the way your brain is configured or shaped, there is a huge opportunity for intervention. If you are aware that there is a small deviation, you could correct it. But how can you get aware that there is such tiny deviation? It's not so obvious. And that's what we call biomarkers. These are small signs that we can find in the brain and that tell us that this brain is not exactly in the right direction.
Really, we are the first doctors of people, and then it's this issue that any problem that affects you in future life will change you forever and will have a very, very strong impact. To really change things, you have to develop biomarkers to be able to select which are the babies that really need something, and then to understand how we can improve that. And then when you identify that there is a baby in risk, do something, do a therapy. That's the future that we see.
Our goal basically is to find clinical solutions. We see in the clinical practice patients that are really anguished and they cope with problems like having a baby with brain malformations or brain problems, and this has a huge impact on these people. And so being able to actually come up with a solution and to actually be able to tell them, okay, your baby has this problem, but most likely everything's gonna be okay, is actually gives you hope, and it gives you the energy to keep going.
For researchers, we really need long-term help. You really can do big projects and change medicine, change life of people, and change the health of children.
With a 5-6 years period, then you can see really good results. And so that's the right way of investing in research. It's relatively not extremely long, but rightly sized projects of 4, 5, 6 years. So you have the right time to see the results of your investment, and then whether they become real solutions in real practice, and you will see the results. This is really a unique feature of Cerebra, and we are extremely grateful for having found them. But also I think they have to be proud of their way of funding research, because that's the right way of getting results back to society.